Thank you for your purchase of the CASS automated hydroponics staging system. This is a tutorial of how to unbox your system. As you see, this is how it arrives. We have a black washer and a blue cap that is often right here in this cup. In order to activate your system, everything's already connected. You shouldn't have to do much to activate your system. All you have to do is, we're going to put this back here, lift your system slightly, turn it, and make sure that it floats back and forth just a little bit, but it's steady, so it's inside the drain hole that's underneath. There it goes. And you can lift this easy fill door to fill your system with 7 gallons of water, making sure to watch the level and mark it at your full point. 7 gallons of water, 3 gallons of water here, total of 10. You put 5 in first, turn on your system by plugging in the rear cord, the back of the system. Once you start hearing it trickle down from the top to the bottom, then add the last 5 gallons of water, and then the system will balance. You plug in the aeroponics here, the 2 hoses on the top and bottom of the back of the system, plug it into your provided 950 gallon per hour air pump. Pull this back up through its thread. You may have to reach your hand in there and just give it a little assist to pull it back up here. Thread the washer and blue cap back on here, and that'll set up your drain system for this container. This one's already set up and you're ready to go. You don't have to disconnect any cables, reconnect any cables. You're ready to grow.